Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 1st, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're going to talk about XRP today. It's been about 3 days, so it's about time for an update to see precisely how the market in XRP has been trading. If you appreciate the content that we are delivering to YouTube, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as well hit that like button and share the video so that everyone else can get the opportunity to see our expectations of market movement before the cryptocurrency actually moves. Okay, so first we're going to look at this article, and then after that we'll go ahead and give you our price prediction of movement for XRP. So today, being the 1st of September, this article on the left side of the screen came out yesterday, August 31st, with the title, here we go again. We have another crypto analyst that is stating XRP is poised and ready for a 60% bounce off major support, i.e. 25 cents. And we'll look at the price chart to see if that is the case. Now, apparently this analyst is on Twitter, goes by the Twitter handle Pentoshi. Is predicting fireworks incoming. Here we go. For the digital asset, and says that it touched a historic level of support on Poloniex that dates all the way back to 2014. One thing I want to remind each and every one of you who is listening today is to understand that technical analysis does not work in the cryptocurrency market because it is unconventional. The institutional investors are not in cryptocurrencies. Well, I would say for altcoins, they're not here. So even though you can see the historic level of XRP finding support at 25 cents, doesn't mean that you're going to see a 60% move to the upside in price. Here's the Twitter handle right here, the feed. This is what he or she wrote. I'm ready to stop being bearish. The bias has changed. Notes on the chart. Historical level dating back to 2014 on Polo chart. Sellers are losing momentum. Target 4,000 fireworks incoming. Now, one of the things that you want to understand is that why are these internet news article grabbing these Twitter feeds just to incite and clicks on their articles? This is all that is going on. This company is just simply grabbing someone's tweet, labeling them as an analyst just to get views on their articles. Okay, so that's another thing to consider when you look at these particular articles. Now, Pentoshi says he believes XRP is now targeting a 60% increase in its price against Bitcoin, which would be a rise from that 2014 support level of about 2,500 Satoshis up to about 4,000 Satoshis. So this is paired against Bitcoin and not the USD. Okay, so excuse me for saying the 25 cents price. But we have two other crypto analysts that say XRP will have to prove itself to overcome areas of resistance. According to News BTC, there's an analyst go by name Asha Jindal that states XRP is now brushing up against resistance at 26 cents. And here's his quote right here. And then you have another individual named Bob Mason. I guess he is connected to FX Empire. He's on the same page as Jindal. He states that the digital asset needs to show it can break 26 cents to the upside, and it could use the help of a broader crypto rally to get to that 26 cent price. See, this is the confusion. These two individuals that is stating that XRP has to break resistance above 26 cents are looking at the chart paired against the dollar. Pentoshi is talking about Satoshis for XRP on a chart. Those are two totally different price charts and markets that you need to consider that this article does not even think about. Those are totally two different markets. So you can't connect a market for XRP paired against Bitcoin to a market for XRP paired against the dollar. Those two are not related. So as always, think according to the price chart. And now we're going to go ahead and focus on this price chart to see if in fact XRP is poised for a 60% increase to the upside. Now, if you wanted to see XRP paired against Bitcoin, you will have to come to our website and sign up, because that is only for our members on our website. The link is going to be in the description of this video, HueFinancial.com. But instead, we're going to give you our analysis for XRP paired against the dollar. So let's go ahead and stop this playback, and let's see what happened into the market since our last video. And we told you when we created our video right here on the 29th of August for XRP that the market really was just going to hold consolidation of trading. And we even told you that 26 cents is a resistance area in the market for XRP, and this daily chart is still reflecting the same fact. Now, we did receive this massive push, or the spread bar, on the 28th of August, which insinuated that we were finding buyers at 25 cents. Now, since that day, the market has been trying to break 26 cents to the upside, and as of right now, it's not being successful. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it over to a weekly time frame to show you how the market concluded for this week. This is the fourth consecutive week in the market for XRP to see prices going to the downside. Support, according to this price chart, is still pretty good at 25 cents. But one thing I want you all to see and notice is that back in 2018, right here, the market in XRP saw a decent amount of volume to insinuate that there is some support coming in at that price. What is different now? Take a look at this volume. There is no participation in the market for XRP to substantiate that we are seeing some buyers coming to the market at 25 cents. Plain and simple. So obviously that 60% move to the upside that Pentoshi is looking at doesn't look probable right now. So even from where we are now, we can put in a 60% move to the upside. And let's show you. That individual is looking for XRP to come up to around 40 cents. Okay. 40 cents from where we are right now. Now, is it possible? Of course. But to time the market is not feasible right now. We're not seeing that on the price charts as yet. Looking here on the monthly chart for XRP, again, this is the third consecutive month, last month of August, of XRP moving to the downside. And seemingly, August wasn't a positive month for XRP. The only thing that could catch XRP to begin its move to the upside is the measly 25 cents support level. And then we already understand that the last time XRP came and held that area for support, we saw a decent amount of volume come in. Looking here on the monthly price chart, you still don't see volume appearing around 25 cents. So what we're going to do is I'm still expecting this market in XRP to literally try to hold this consolidational range. The market is weak. I'm not going to neglect that fact, but all in all, this consolidational range, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit further because that strength definitely did not come through over the last 3 days from when we did our last video. Now, I'm not positive about what I'm seeing on the 4-hour chart. I'm not positive of what I'm seeing on the 3-hour chart. We are still seeing indications of weakness right now in the market for XRP. But I'm going to play along with this 25-cent support area. Okay, even though the anticipation is still for this market in XRP to move to the downside, we're still seeing a small hint that 25 cents can still be support for this coin. So we're looking at XRP moving to the downside. We're going to keep this price range here from support of around 25 cents all the way up there to around 26.5 cents. And we'll update you all on our next video for XRP. But all in all, long term doesn't look too good for XRP. Okay, so this is our expectations into the market for XRP. Definitely would like to know your comments about this particular cryptocurrency. Do you think we will see a 60% move to the upside just because we hit 25 cents? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure you all maintain your profitability. And I will see you on the next one.